So I have two different nighttime routines, and this one is pretty much going to be revolving around the minimizing the appearance of ingrown hairs. Or let's say you have like the white bumps that start to come from when you start to shave. This routine will be perfect at minimizing the appearance of those coming in. I've already washed my face, so let's say you wash your face, and now we're going to be going into like the toner. I have dry skin, so I really like this Paula's Choice hyaluronic acid toner. Okay, for the next step, we're going to be going with the exfoliator. Now, you can see on the bottle, it smooths and evens out skin tone. So for me personally, sometimes after you shave, when you look at the skin, it can be a lot darker than the rest of the skin on your face. This has actually helped me with my skin tone, evening everything out. And this is also good at, if you get ingrown hairs, this will dry all that out. So you can even just put this in the problem areas that you have, which may just, you know, be your beard area. But me, I'm gonna put it all over the face. BHAs, you cannot use vitamin C products, so I can't use vitamin C serums or moisturizers. So since I can't mix with vitamin C, I'm gonna be going with this serum from Algenist. Whenever I use like BHA mask or like that exfoliator, I always like to top it off with the Cetaphil. And that's how we finishing up tonight's nighttime routine. Like I said, I got a couple of nighttime routines.